Hi everyone, this is my bug bounty progress update after 3 weeks of doing bug bounty. If you remember or watch my video on me finding my first bug or joining Sinak Red Team, I started hacking or doing bug bounty on Sinak last June 11, where I also found my first bug. Oh, I think it's June 10, but June 11 is where I found my first bug. And since then, I was not able to add or find a new bug. What I get so far on Synac platform was a bunch of out of scope. I think three. Three of that was an out of scope, which I failed to consider as an out of scope because of my experience in enterprise pen testing, wherein those issues, such as this one, are being considered as a vulnerability. I also got one duplicate, which is an IDOR, which is kind of sad and at the same time fine for me since I'd rather have duplies or duplicate than out of scope. And this one is the email or message I got from them. Uh, and then I think yes, that's what my 3 weeks on Sinak. Nothing good so far since I always ended up getting or finding low hanging fruit. By the way, since I was already able to show you, I already started hunting on HackerOne last June 19, and so far so good. I only got one duplicate, and it is this one. As you can see, based on this image, my duplicates are mostly easy to find vulnerability, which is not a good way to do bug bounty. Since if you find bug easily, then it is highly possible that someone managed to report it already, unless you are working on a newly established private program and you are the first one testing it, which you can do or report new low-hanging fruit. Yeah, I think now going back, as you can see on my screen, I have been doing the HackerOne CTF, but I think I'm only going to do or try to do it just to get one invitation. If you have experience or been doing bug bounty for quite some time now, this will be an easy thing for you. But I highly suggest this to anyone who wants to try doing bug bounty. The reason I suggest this is you'll get a private invite which you can work on to increase your reputation. If that private program has no bounty or doesn't offer bug bounty, or you can use this for private invite to find bugs with lesser competition. So I guess that's it. Thank you and bye.